Yo, what's good, y'all? Knicks versus Celtics. It should be a good game. Tatum all the way. I'm surprised the Celtics still playing their starters. It's obviously the last week of the NBA, man. A very light NBA schedule today. Then a big schedule Friday and Sunday. No games on Saturday, and the season's over. Into the play-in next week. Obviously, we've been reacting all year, and now is the time, to get rewarded for it. You feel me? But Celtics are obviously the first seed, so surprised they're playing their starters still. I mean, I guess it's still a good amount of days, especially since they're going to play after the play-in, obviously. Knicks obviously still have a lot to play for. The Bucks with a big win. The Knicks look like they're going to get the third seed. Type the Magic lost yesterday. The Cavs won. Obviously, they're going to be without Randall. Okay. Oh. The Knicks, if it gets a 3 seed, then they might get blessed with the Pacers the first round. They'll probably smoke the Pacers. You want to verse the Pacers, I feel like, the most out of any team in the first round. Like, the Pacers are the Magic, and it's not that the Magic are bad, it's just, like, inexperience-wise and, like, the player. You feel me? Like, Paolo's a dog, though. But, you know. Okay. Tatum. Yeah, it's a big game. I know it's a very light NBA schedule today. Not too many games. Not too many good games. So. 4-3. That's it, Richard. Damn, Bogey. Yeah. Hmm.
New York crushing Boston on the offensive glass right now. Not surprising. Mitchell Robinson was the leading offensive rebounder in the league. McBride drives. He's looking for Robinson. Great play by Al Horford.
Oh, Horford with a crossover. What the fuck?
Tatum drives it.
Tatum.
With a two-handed stuff. Yes, I'm sure they will. And look, there's so many good players that you're not slighting anybody.
Damn.
Hart drills it right back. Hartenstein, little push shot. Another chance here. Another offensive rebound. OG. Rattles in a three. Middle of the pack 3-point percentage. The Knicks is
Bogey. The reverse. Okay.
Their best post defender, but still a very good shot blocker and can switch out.
Damn, hold up.
Guards on the perimeter.
Ooh, Bogdanovich is cooking right now.
Bogdanovich was averaging over 20 a game in Detroit. Got up to a slow start.
Oh, Brunson. Okay, Knicks. Brunson. He's really getting more and more ridiculous. Like, he is scoring, man. He is scoring at an elite clip. Okay.
They only gave up 2 free throw attempts to
Milwaukee. Oh.
They've only given up 6.
AG and Anobi. Okay. Celtics fully healthy in this one too. And the Celtics fully healthy in this one. Porzingis versus old squad. Okay.
As you watch this game unfold, Stan, again, it's
I'm going crazy, man. I think the Lakers played today. I can't remember the other 2 late games. I know they're good games. The other games were not right. I know it was the Bulls, Pistons, and another tight mid game. I think Rockets, Jazz. Yeah. Brunson. Okay. Oh my gosh, they're about to be a 30-point game. The Knicks. This is a big late season game. OG.
I don't think anybody did, if you're being honest. I think people thought he'd be a good player. I think most people had him as a backup.
His left wrist throughout that last time out. So just to housekeeping here, the Knicks did challenge that call, and it was overturned as Porzingis running the floor gets the dunk. So it is Jalen Brunson taking his 3rd charge. It pins the 3rd foul.
Well, when he first got to the bench, Pops came over and he kind of gave him the okay nod. And then the athletic training staff worked on his wrist the entire time.
Oh, he should have went up.
In and out of socket
That's not. Sheesh.
During the entire
Sheesh.
Major League Baseball is starting up on TBS as well as Hart takes it away but gives it right back. And here is Jaylen Brown. No problem this time. 25-21 in that stretch of 18.
We get a late comeback. At least make it interesting. Tatum, where you at, bro? Where you at, Tatum? Where the fuck you at, Tatum?
The last two games here against Milwaukee on the road as Brunson scores again. I mean, he's just going for it. Those that are around the Knicks in the Eastern Conference standings.
Brunson. Oh, Robinson's back for the Knicks. Okay. You know he gonna get injured again. You know he gonna get injured again. Good to see him back. Also, so I think Cat's coming back tomorrow. Did I see that? Oh my gosh, Brunson splashing threes. How many? 36? Bro, he is splashing threes. Oh my. Okay. He getting 40, bro.
The Knicks have the ball as we approach the 1 minute mark.
And Joe Mazzulla is going to pull the plug.
Jaylen Brown lays it in. Brunson has 20 in the quarter. And
Hart at the left.
lays it in with a foul.
Could still be fighting.
I'm out of here, bro. I'm gone. Damn. That big game. They got it down to 9. That's funny, but yeah.